And we know that the value for money that they talk about when they talk about these public-private partnerships are completely bogus, and it's the taxpayers that are going to pay for it, for extra amounts of dollars and for poor quality service. And we're going to make sure that he eats crow again. Mayor Mandel, when he was mayor of the city, I keep calling him Mayor Mandel, he was the driving force behind so much of the P3s that we see here. And I think the people of this community need to remember that Mayor Mandel was the driving force behind the public-private partnership of the Southwest Rec Centre. And I think a lot of people forget that story, and it's an important story for today because for 10 years the people of this community was looking for some public recreation centre to be built. Mayor Mandel drove that to be a public-private partnership. But what happened was when they signed that contract, or when they went to negotiate that contract, the company actually said, we're not going to build 4 sheets ice, we're going to build 2. We're not going to build the swimming pool the way you want it, etc. And so the city had to come back and go back and build it as a traditional public facility. So we thought we were going to lose that one, but in the end we actually won that one because the whole public-private partnership approach was failed. And so Mayor Mandel was driving that force, and he had to eat crow, and I think he's going to have to eat crow again. We also know that he was the driving force behind the privatization of our Southwest LRT line, which we're continuing to fight. And we know that the value for money that they talk about when they talk about these public-private partnerships are completely bogus, and it's the taxpayers that are going to pay for it, for extra amounts of dollars and for poor quality service. So this fight isn't over. You know, depending on what happens on Monday, we're going to keep this front and center, and we're going to be working with all of our partners here. We've got Marley from AUPE and AUPE, other groups, and we're going to make sure that he eats crow again.